Here is a matching type question on general organic chemistry. Study the items in both columns carefully. Try to work out the matching before we solve it together. Let us now begin solving this step by step. Identify the structure. The molecule is a cyclohexene derivative. Looking at the structure, there is an endocyclic double bond. One sp2 carbon, C1, bears a methyl group and is also connected to a carbon chain bearing HD and He. The other sp2 carbon, C2, bears HC directly on the double bond. Ha is on a ring carbon that is allylic, 2 carbons away from the double bond on one side. HB is on a ring carbon further from the double bond. Moving on to the next step. HC directly on AC is equal to C carbon, sp2 carbon of the ring double bond, vinyl H. He, on the terminal carbon of the side chain, CH2 or CH3 attached to the carbon bearing HD, with no adjacent double bond influence making it primary 1 degree alkyl H, Ha, on a ring CH2 or CH carbon that is not directly adjacent to the double bond 2 degrees alkyl H, HB, on a ring CH carbon adjacent to Has carbon, also 2 degrees, but let's check allylic status. HB is on a carbon that is allylic, next to the allylic carbon or directly allylic to the double bond, 2 degrees allyl H, HD, on a carbon directly adjacent to the sp2 carbon of the double bond, allylic position, and that carbon is also bonded to 3 carbons, the ring carbon on each side and the side chain carbon bearing He, making it tertiary allylic 3 degrees allyl H. And for the final step, arrange in decreasing order of CH bond energy, bond dissociation energy. General trend for CHBD. Vinyl CH, sp2, greater than 1 degree alkyl CH 2 degrees alkyl CH 2 degrees allylic CH 3 degrees allylic CH. This is because vinyl CH bonds are the strongest due to higher S character of sp2 carbon. Primary alkyl CH secondary alkyl CH, more substituted is equal to weaker bond, easier radical anion formation. Allylic CH bonds are weaker than simple alkyl CH bonds because the resulting radical carbanion is resonance stabilized. 3 degrees allylic is weakest among these because both tertiary substitution and allylic stabilization lower the BD. Therefore, HC, vinyl, He, 1 degree alkyl, Ha, 2 degrees alkyl, HB, 2 degrees allyl, HD, 3 degrees allyl. This matches the given answer exactly. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Ha, 2 degrees alkyl, HB, 2 degrees allyl, HC, vinyl, HD, 3 degrees allyl, He, 1 degree alkyl, B. HC, He, Ha, HB, HD. Therefore, the correct matching is A matches, Ha, 2 degrees alkyl, HB, 2 degrees allyl, HC, vinyl, HD, 3 degrees allyl, He, 1 degree alkyl, B matches HC, He, Ha, HB, HD.